If you ever feel like you might need someone.
Okay, so good morning everyone. What we will be having for this morning is an overview and a quick example on how to use Canva as part of our OER instruction. So I guess let's get it on. Okay, so let's start with typing Canva.com onto your computers. You can use Google Chrome or whatever search engines you will be using. So in here, we'll be typing canva.com, you should, and then it will bring you to this page, your main page. What we're going to do now is to sign up. You can make use of your Google accounts. It would be better if you would be using your debit government account because it has more features, because basically Canva also has its premium subscription option, and if you would be using your ordinary Gmail account, it would be limiting you to some of its features. But if you'd be using your debit account, it would be much better since you can use so much of its features. So this would be the main page, the dashboard. In here you can see that you can actually make use of a lot of its design, from its templates to from social media to education, even lesson plans, but the lesson plans here are more creatively designed. You can make use of these for your worksheets and everything. But for now, let's try working on a virtual post, a Facebook post with, because I've been asked by Sir Gerald to post about the virtual graduation. So for now, what I will be doing is to create a post, and with the designs that we have here for our Facebook post, we'll be choosing one. So basically, all you have to do is to scroll down, find something that you think would be better or would fit the kind of post that you would be using. So let's try the search engine, since it's for graduation. Let's try graduations. So there you go, you have your graduation. I think I'd like this one or something like this, but I think I'll stick to it. So what are we going to do now? We're going to use this template. It would automatically bring us to another tab where we can edit the contents of the template. So as you can see here, you have your main page, and then you have this set of words. What would you want to do is to improve it so that we can edit it one by one.